In today's video, we are going to walk you through everything you need to know before you start using Monarch, especially if you're serious about budgeting, tracking expenses, and building wealth. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to the official website, which is www.monarch.com. On the top corner to get started, click the sign up button. This will forward you to a new page. Creating an account here is a breeze. All you have to do is use your business or personal email. And to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up using your Apple or your Google account and then follow the on-screen instructions. Once you have successfully created your account, you will land on the main dashboard. You'll typically see your net worth overview, recent transaction, cash flow summary, budget progress, and investment tracking. The interface is clean, it's modern, and very easy to navigate even for beginners. Because Monarch is an all-in-one financial management app that helps you track your spending, monitor your cash flow, view detailed analytical reports, and create a fully customizable budgets. You can also plan for recurring expenses and allocate and track investments. And it's built for people who want more than just basic budgeting. It's for those who want clarity, control, and a long-term financial strategy. Now, if you wanted to seek a financial advice from real experts, you can simply go to this option. Now, the question is Monarch really worth it? Monarch Financial is not free. There is usually a free trial available, which is really good for people serious about long-term financial planning, a former Mint users wanting a powerful upgrade, and for couples managing money together. Monarch Financial is absolutely worth trying. But if you just want a simple, free expense tracker, this might feel expensive. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. The best budgeting app depends on your goals, needs, and budget. And with that being said, if you found this review helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more honest software reviews. And let us know in the comments, are you switching to Monarch or sticking with another budgeting app? Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.